sensibility and practicality define the 2014 Dodge Dart. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is waiting for you to take home. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Dodge infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as speed-sensitive wipers, a built-in garage door transmitter, heated seats, front dual-zone air conditioning, and leather upholstery. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.